So what we're going over today is how to use the Google Drive. The first step in using a Google Drive is you need a Gmail account set up. In order to access anything on Google, you do need a Gmail account. So as educators, we're probably going to have to help our students set up appropriate Gmail accounts. From there, we'll go ahead and select this grid, go to our Google Drive. Google Drive is a great way to keep everything organized, whether you're using slides, docs, sheets, anything like that. It's going to keep it all organized in this in your drive. What I think would be especially helpful in secondary is having students create folders for each class. And how you do that is you go to My Drive, you select New Folder, and we'll go ahead and create one for this class. Create. And from there, it's going to be right in your folder section, and you can move all of your assignments for that class into there. Another plus of Google Drive is in settings, you can select it so that it will still sync your Google Docs, sheets, slides, and drawings to the computer so that you can edit offline. So when students go home or you're somewhere where you don't have Wi-Fi, it's still going to sync your work even though you're not connected. So all you have to do is select this box and then done, and it will save everything you have whether you're online or not. Last but not least, I think Google Drive is especially helpful because you do have access to docs, sheets, slides, your Gmail account, Google Hangouts, all that kind of stuff, and it will automatically save in here. And especially if you're sharing with other students and you're using partners, it will automatically save in here on both students' Google Drives as long as they share the document. And that's it.